Still downloading apps for scanning or translating? Google Lens replaces them all in one tap. Step 1. Open the Google app on your phone. Tap the lens icon. It looks like a camera inside a square. Step 2. Point your camera at any foreign text. Lens will instantly translate it live on screen. No separate translation app needed. Step 3. Scan a product or barcode. Google Lens will show prices, reviews, and buying options instantly, faster than any shopping app. Step 4. Aim it at handwritten notes. Lens will digitize your writing and let you copy and paste it anywhere. Perfect for students or meeting notes. Step 5. Use Lens to solve math problems. Just point and tap, and it gives you the answer step by step. Calculator app not needed. Google Lens is your all-in-one. Translator, scanner, price checker, note reader, math solver. One tool, no clutter. Try it today. And delete at least 3 apps you won't need anymore. Follow for more. Dusty second tips that save time and space. Title card. Follow for more tips.